Hello all, welcome to Codify with Sonal. Today we are gonna learn further in the AWS Developer Associate course. The contents I have already shared in my previous videos. So here it is. So today we are gonna study about IAM. What is IAM? So let's go ahead. Before that, I would like you to repeat to yourself that I can and I will succeed. Okay. Before you start anything, just repeat this mantra. It will work and you will go ahead. Okay. What is IAM? Okay, it is an identity access and management. So, as you know, everything whenever you want to execute some task, either you want to have phone number or something, they ask you what is your identity, what is your name, what is your id, any id proof. So that kind of similar thing we need in aws account, as it is an account. So you need identity access and management. Who are the users, what are the roles, what are the groups, we learn about everything. Okay, so iam is a web service that enables you to manage the access to aws services and resources securely, helps you to control who is authenticated and authorized to use these services and resources. Multiple users to have secured access. Okay, security is very high. Okay, so IAM provides centralized control of your AWS account, and it is, first of all, IAM is a free service. Okay, remember that, and it is a global service. When you study for your exam, make sure you make a note of all the services that you're gonna do, and just make a global and region wise. Okay, so that you know which service is global service, which service is regional service. Okay, so each IAM user has three main components: one username, one password, and permissions to access various resources. Very clear. You can apply granular permissions with IAM. Okay, you can assign users individual security credentials such as access keys, passwords, and multi factor authentication. This is what we do in terms of security. Having a multi factor authentication, you have a two-way authentication using the code through Authenticator by Microsoft, Google, or something. So IAM is not used for application level authentication. Very important. Okay. So now let's go ahead. What all is included in this? What are the IAM concepts? So IAM concepts, we'll study all this in detail in the next videos. Just for your overview, resources, IAM users we have, then users form a group, and there are specific roles that can be applied. You need some permissions. You need to have IAM policies. So these are the concepts. Now we'll understand through the example. Okay, so you have a company, there are software engineers, there are financial experts. So everyone has their own stuff. So code or software engineers will have their code related stuff into programming. Financial experts will have financial documents. So it's all about every person in the company has its own identity, has its own stuff to finish. Okay, so we'll study this in detail more. Coming up to features of IAM. So, what does IAM provide you? Securely manage services and resources, creates IAM principles for you. You allow deny via IAM policy. It supports identity federation, provides multi factor authentication, provides policy simulator. Don't worry if you have not understood these features. Just my point of view for this video was to make you a understanding of what is IAM, okay, and what all is inclusive inside that we'll be seeing in the next video. If you have any doubts or any concerns regarding this course, please let me know in the comment box below. And some of you are asking me to upload the solution architect associate practice series ahead. So guys, I've already completed one practice series, and I'll try to put up one more practice series soon, but as of now I'm just doing this course. So maybe in another 2 weeks I'll be having one more practice series live. Okay, so let's codify with Solal in the next video. Till then, stay happy and see you on the next video. Comment down for any questions. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification for the updated video. Thank you.